your drafting tape or your dots. Whoops. Put it in front of your desk. Okay, you need to put it in front.
Should we get down
I don't want
there?
You gotta loosen this up. There you go. Loosen up, loosen up. Okay, so step one, you're gonna draw a 10-foot by 6-foot rectangle using 1 inch equals 10 feet. So that means, which scale are you using? Your engineering scale or your architectural scale? No? 1 inch equals 10 feet. That's the 1 to 10 on your engineering scale. So 1 inch is for 10. So
I need this is gonna be tough. This is
the toughest class you didn't use the scale. Okay, so you might end up needing another piece of paper because now you're going to do a 10-foot by 6-foot rectangle using this. So where's 10 feet? Right. Okay.
that's the whole rectangle.
Yeah. By 6 feet. So why don't you go left to right? So I don't know which way that thing is. If you have a big piece of paper now, here's your big piece of paper. Let's start from the left-hand side and do the first one. So 10 feet by 6 feet, 1 inch equals 10 feet. So I think it might be about that. Compared to how big your paper is, depending on what size paper. And then you're going to draw that same rectangle using 1/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and 1 inch equals 20 feet. So Julie and I will help you. Because this is one of the hardest parts about architectural or graphic or landscape drawing is learning how to use the scales, especially because we're using both of them. And I think pretty much if I've analyzed landscape drawings properly over the last 5 years, it's about 50-50. Most of the drawings that an architect touches are going to use the architectural scale. If it's a landscape-only project that doesn't have a building being constructed, it's probably going to be using the engineering scale. So remember, you're not drawing with your ruler, your scale ruler, you're drawing with this and with this. As Adele told you last week, don't let the pencil touch your scale. Okay, zoom in on.
We're doing the warm-up exercise, yeah?
Correct, warm-up exercise. So you're going to have a lot of different rectangles on there. And you could even practice your lettering underneath each one by writing what it is. So I'll be right there. Underneath this one, it would say the scale. They're all the same thing. They're all 10 feet by 6 feet. So you're going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. But the first thing you're going to do is this first one, and then you're going to come in 6 inches and draw as if you were drawing the inside wall of a house, if you were drawing this big. Okay, so you're drawing the first one, and then you're, so that is, come in.
Nancy. Aren't we 1 to 10? So we're 10 by 6?
Or you can do 6. So I have a 1 inch equals 10 feet. So this one's real, okay, right? I think
For everybody, I've just shown the 10 by 6. I was reading it as 100 by 60. So will you want to correct that to 10?
And this one's tiny.
By
First one's
6.
tiny.
So I'm fully confessing I have just shown 5 of you incorrectly. So please correct it.
Come in.
Yeah.
10 by 6 rectangle. And I think you should make them all 10 feet wide.
It was roughly my edges when I.
10 feet on,
Oh.
first one is 1 inch equals 10 feet. Oops. So which one of those has 10 on it?
10. Yeah, by 6.
Let's see, there it is. So you turn it this way. So there's an inch, and you can use this one. It has literal inches on it, just to confirm that I'm telling you it's right, so it's 1 inch. There it is. Okay. So, there's an inch, right?
Okay.
So on this one, 1 inch equals 10 feet. Because this is 1 inch equals 10 feet.
Yep.
This is 1 inch equals 50 feet. If I do 1 inch on this one, it goes to where the 5 would be.
Okay.
So that's the way. Okay. So then this first one's pretty small. So you need this. Okay, so up for left-hand corner. Now you're gonna draw a box.
We're bouncing back and forth.
Okay, draw a line.
And mark them except for Dale.
So that, and now mark off.
And when somebody says 1 to 30, you have a concept of what they're talking about, or the quarter.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so using 1 inch equals 10 feet, so 10 feet is therefore from 0 to 1. Right. That's 10 feet. So you're gonna make a little dot
Big one, small.
and 0.
What's wrong?
Okay, so you want the small. So
Yeah,
10
very small.
by 6.
Yeah.
Now, you have a gigantic triangle.
So just me, right mark there, and then I use my tools to draw.
Now you can use more toys.
10 by 6 triangle.
I got these.
10 by 6. Okay. So the task is to draw the 10 by 6.
Mhm.
Then I give it an outline of the paper.
Right, so see on the board, and so you just come in 6 inches. It's gonna be really tiny on this first.
And then redraw the next 10 by 6 at 1/8 of an inch.
Yep.
And so we were drawing at a 2 scale.